Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Libertex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage. From here, you can see the various different markets at a glance. Now, if you wish to change the account password that you have set, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. You can then tap on your username at the top section, which will then take you into your profile page. From here, just tap on Personal Details underneath your profile info. And now within the profile management screen, you will see the Change Password button. Go ahead and tap on this. And now you will first need to enter your current password within the old password box. Just type in the password that you have set while creating your account. And now type in your desired new password underneath within the new password section. Then scroll down and type in this new password once again for confirmation. And finally, tap on the Confirm New Password button. And now your password has successfully been changed within your Libertex account. And after this, you can use this new password to log into your account in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Libertex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.